Hey friends, it's me Stace. Today I want to share with you a project I'm making for Lifescraft. Look how cute that ice cream cone is. Little 3 pearls there, and then we have the inside. Alright, so to get started, you will need a piece of cardstock that is, I'm going to take all my pieces out of here, 8.5 by 5.5. You want to score that in the center at 4 1/4 and crease it really well so it lays nice and flat for you. You'll need 2 pieces of white. They both measure 4 by 5 1/4. And then for the ice cream, I used this delicious ice cream die set. It has the cone, the ice cream shape, and also little stars. And I did cut one out in brown, like a light brown cone color, 2 in a dark chocolate, and 1 in a mint color. And I also cut the stars out, and I have those 3 there. I cut those out in the same color cardstock here. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do for my front, this is a super simple card. I'm taking just white cotton yarn. If you want to, you can use twine. And we're going to take some tape, and I'm going to tape it to one side. And bring it around, and then I'm going to tie it. Do it again. I'm going to go around twice. Bring this over a little bit more. Okay, then flip it back over, put some more tape on that to hold that down. Then I'm going to take some scotch tape or some scissors. Alright, and we're going to take this and tie it into a bow. I like using yarn. It's really inexpensive. You get a whole big spool of it, so it's way less money than twine is. And I like it that it's thicker. I just think it shows better. And it does a pretty good job tying bows. You know, sometimes twine, the bows or the loops will twist on you, and I find it's much easier with that, with yarn. Alright, so I'm going to cut those off. Alright, I'm going to take this, put some adhesive on the back. I'm just using my Scotch Advanced Tape Glider. I'm going to go a little bit stronger with the adhesive there. Alright, I'm going to bring, and it's a very slight contrast, like this is super light as well as this, but I like that. I like just the simplicity of it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put that one there. And then to bling this up on this side, I am using some of these gems. I'm using the, I guess the medium sized ones. I'm going to grab one of those off here. And to put one here. I'm using 3. And these I got from HSN. They are from Diamond Press. Alright, so we have that done. Alright, now let's work on our ice cream cone. So I'm going to take my adhesive again. We're going to put that right there. And then all 3 of these I'm going to pop up. Now, of course, you can make these be any flavor you like. My favorite ice cream flavor of all time is mint chocolate chip, so I went with, this is Paper Tray Ink mint julep cardstock, and this is Paper Tray Ink dark chocolate cardstock. And this brown is just a Walmart brown. And the gray here is also Paper Tray Ink, and I think soft stone. Alright, so I'm going to take the backings off, and then we're going to plop them on. And you know, you can make them be any flavor you like. You can make it be 1 scoop, 2 scoops. You can add little chocolate specks here to make it look like mint chocolate chip. And then all we have left is the inside of the card. Alright, isn't that cute? Super cute. Alright, now for the inside, my other piece of 4 by 5 1/4. I'm actually using my mini Misty to stamp the greeting, only because I'm putting the greeting in the middle of the card. Usually I don't ever put a greeting on the inside, but I thought today I will. I want to make sure I get it lined up. So it's already on my thing here. I'm going to use VersaFine black ink. It's a really pretty image here. It says, make a wish and unwrap a beautiful day. All right, take that off. Then I'm going to close my ink and grab my glue for my 3 little stars, as long as I did not lose them. I see 2. They're so light, they're probably right in front of me. All right, there's one there. I just had the other one. All right, give me a second. Make sure I didn't lose them. Oh, there we go. There's the other one. All right, so I can't find, oh, there he is down here on the floor. Okay, so there's my 3 little stars. Take my glue, and I'm just using art glitter glue, and I bought these bottles off Amazon. It's just a fine tip. And they're gonna pick these little guys up. This would be a fun die set for a birthday party, because what is a birthday party without ice cream, right? So you can make really cute invitations with these. Alright, so there's the inside. As you can see, very, very subtle, but I do like that. Alright, so grab our glue and adhere that to the inside of our card. Oh, not that one. There we go. And I have a card kit as well. I'll show you that in one moment. Super cute. Right, I like the white on the white with the yarn. Again, you can mix it up. You can do brown, you could do mint, whatever color you like. All right, so there's the card. And then we have the card kit. I give you the 3 little stars. I did put them in a baggie with the gems. This way they don't get lost. And I give you the twine, and of course the whole card kit is here with an envelope. And I will include this card with an envelope as well. So you have the finished card you can make or mail out to a friend. Then you have the card you can make yourself. All right, so to win the card kit, leave me a comment below with your all-time favorite ice cream flavor, and I'll announce the winner this coming Saturday. Any questions, my friends, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.